So today's base station, hopefully I'm not in the way of the camera, is the wonderful Fidelity 3000 from 1981, which received just as badly as the Fidelity 1000s. They're also made by Great in Taiwan, but they're very nice styling, nice features. And let's see if Mr Chippie's out there and whether he can receive our just under 3 watt signal. Hopefully, because he should be in the driveway-ish. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. And with a 4-inch forward-facing speaker, you sound great.
Roger that. Just come up to the end of the line.
Roger. So this is one I bought on eBay, working in inverted commas, with a wrong mic, which is for a TriStar radio. We've never had TriStar in the UK as the UK legal radio, so that's gone in the bin. It didn't work anyway, and we've put a standard mic on if you looked at the previous video. And we've wired up the microphone socket to the right because for some reason there's one on the back as well, which somebody's put in.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, I have you at Ancaster Crossroads. So that puts him a mile away now.
Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descend into Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So I better make sure that the squelch is set because his next bit is Scratchy Corner.
21 from Mr Chippie, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, you sound wonderful going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger that, and for, you say we're about 3 watts, that also sounds fine.
Roger, thank you.
Right, just going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. And you know, it may only be doing 3 watts, but we had it on the spectrum analyzer if you watched the previous video, and it was all coming out at the right frequency. So, you know, you may get radios doing quite a bit and kicking out some interference, but this is absolutely very clean signal.
Now passing Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at Kelby turn. Roger, receiving at Grayley's turn. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. That's one of the best tests we've ever done. So I know you're going shopping. I'll catch you later on. So thank you and 1010. Well, what more can you say? You know, it's doing 2.9 watts. We know they're bleed over boxes, but it is receiving in a sensitive way, and the specification was, as the manual says, it was doing 20 decibel cyanide, better than 1 microvolt just. We'll have it through to our base station and then you can hear it yourself.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity CB3000FM base station from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station, also from 1981. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching.